45 degrees. And yung siya stationing na 2 plus 92.54. Having a radius of 200 meters. So, una nga hinahanap is your stationing at 80. So, pagkuha sa stationing, so first, ikaw sa vertex, makatuin mo na sa PC, then from PC, pangatlo sa PT. So, hindi pwede na mag-direct from vertex, pangatlo sa PT. So, pero may siya mabalik sa iyo, PC, pangatlo sa PT. So, para sa iyo, para makuha sa stationing at PC, so, nanan mo na kinahanglan niya data. So, nanan yung kinahanglan niya data. So, your T or your tangent distance. So, may okay formula ng T is equal to R tangent I over 2. So, since given na atom R, which is 200, and atom I, which is 45 degrees. So, makukuha na ang tangent, which is pero yung magiging tangent. So you have 82.84 meters. So from your station vertex, which is 2 plus 92.84, so since backward it, so meaning, so minus your tangent distance na 82.84. So, ano ito magiging stationing now at PC is equal to, so yung 2 plus 900. So, since mayroon naman stationing at PC na 2 plus 900, para mahinagit sa PT, sinanat kinahanglan. So, niyo, so length of curve. So, sa iyo length of curve, may ang formula ka, which is your R is 200, and your angle of intersection is 45 degrees. So, since naka-degree form pa natin I, so i-convert na siya into radian. So, nanan yung computation for radian. So, multiply by, so pi over 180 degrees. So, pera yung magiging length of curve. So, you have 157.78. So, from your station PC, so you get 2 plus 900. So, since pakadikit sa PT, so naro, so plus your length of curve, 157.08. So, you have stationing at PT, which is, so 3 plus 057.7. So this will be your stationing now at E. So next is your reflection angle at station 2 plus 97.7. So, kung yung lulokit na stationing, na 97.7, so most probably, alis sila. So, station 2 plus 97.7. So, yung suwad ka nga angle of deflection, isa nimo angle, ikang sa nimo PC, pangatlo sa longward sa nimo stationing. So, mayroon ang deflection angle. So, since hindi natin ikukuha, na deflection angle. So, nana na yung A4. So, ano yung length of curve? So, divided is 2 plus 900. So, makukuha ta ano yung length of curve. So, pero yung magiging length of curve. So, pero yung length of curve. Kaya yung length of curve. So, pira yung length of curve, ika sa 2 plus 937.7 to 2 plus 900. So, yung 37.7 meters. So, from your length of curve, na formula LC is equal to R. So, dito is magiging theta. Since ini, kita nga din, pakali sa iyo origin is also as your R. So, yun dito, theta. So, from here, you get length of curve na 37.7 over is equal to your radius na 200 times your theta. So, makakuha ka ang theta, which is pira. So, pera yung angle of reflection. 0.19. So, since ini nga 0.8 means naka-radian form pa, so i-convert na siya into degrees. So, i-multiply ko na line. So, 180 degrees tan over 5. So, pera yung magiging angle integrate form. So, ini na yung magiging angle of reflection at station 2 plus 97.7. So next is your offset distance from station 2 plus 97.7. So yung natawag ng offset distance is perpendicular distance from your tangent pangat to sa iyong point. So yun is sila. So this is your offset distance. This is perpendicular sa iyong tangent pangat to sa iyong point. So kung mayroon natin x, then mayroon natin angle. So, paano ito makakuhaan? X. So, using your triangle. So, yun eh. Nalasin niya ang tawag. Straight line. So, nalasin siya ang tawag straight line. So, this is your length of chord for station 2 plus 97.7. So, kuha ka muna ng yung LC. So, yung formula ng LC is equal to 2r sine, so yun is magiging theta over 2. So from here, your length of curve is equal to your 2 times 200 sine, and out of theta is 10.89 divided by 2. So pera yung length of work for station 2 plus 97.7. So pera yung LC 37.96. So from this triangle, so may hypotenuse, then may height. So yung sine sine theta is equal to your x over your hypotenuse na 37.96, or your x is equal to 37.96 sine n.89. So kaya yung magiging x. Kaya 7.70. So may offset distance na 7.70. And lastly is your degree of curve using your chord basis. So may formula, R is equal to your D over 10 over sine D over 2. So may radius na 200. So pera yun yung magiging E. So, pero yung D3 over 5.78. So your degree of chord using your chord basis is 5.78.